This video, I'm going to show you how to 10 times your sale in any business coming right up. Hi, this is John Lee. If this is the first time coming across me, my channel is all about growing businesses, starting business, and more importantly, increasing the sales in your business. So if you don't want to miss out on all the new content I upload every single day, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on all the new content. So I want to share with you a concept that really helped take my business to that next level. And I want to share this with you by using a screen share and just showing you specifically how to actually incorporate this. Now, if you look at every single business, what most businesses do is they'll actually, for a second. When you look at most businesses, they tend to only have like one level. So let's say, for example, down here, they'll sell a product. But the secret here, and if I show you this, what does this look like? This looks like a what? It looks like a staircase. So whenever we're selling products or services, one of the biggest challenges I see what a lot of people do is they're just selling one thing. And when you're selling one thing, the challenge with that is it's hard to scale because you have to sell a lot of that product or service. So I'm going to show you how that staircase works in a second. So the idea and the strategy is to create something where we're just selling one thing, but instead of finding new customers all the time to buy that one thing, we're going to get the buying customer to buy more things, right? So this is how it works. So this is what we call a product staircase, right? Where we're always adding value along the way. So this is the key to this. So if I show you how this works, you'll see at the bottom level here, we want to have some kind of low ticket item, right? In fact, even before that, you want to do something maybe like you want to give something away for free. Okay. Now this is really important. Like I can tell you in all the business that I've ever started, the millions of dollars that I've created by using this exact same model is you want to give something away for free. Why? Because when you give something away for free, what happens is you're getting rid of that resistance. So, if people have never come across you for the first time and you're trying to sell them something, it's, a lot of them go, well, hold on a second, I've never even heard of you. I don't even know who you are. So one of the things that you want to do is you want to make that product or service free to start with. So if you're a coach or a speaker, you might want to give away a free coaching session. If you're an author, like my books, I give away, free chapters of my book. If you are a real estate agent, you might want to give away something, for free to do like a free valuation. If you do like supplements, for example, a friend of mine, he'll give free samples of a particular product or service. So it's really important that you want to start focusing on giving something away for free to start with. All right. Now, the second step to this is once we give away something for free, then we want to have some kind of low ticket item, right? Low ticket item. So a low ticket item is something that is affordable for everybody. Right. So let's say, for example, like in my industry, when I do a lot of, mentoring and coaching and consulting, sometimes people will say, well, John, I'm not in a position to be able to afford your fees right now. So that's fine. So what we do is we have a smaller version of that. So it could be a book, it could be some kind of home study program. It could be something that they go, well, actually I can take that and I can run with that because it's something that's small. Like it's something that it's not going to cost them thousands of dollars. It's going to be something low ticket that they can actually consume of your product. So you want to start thinking about, okay, I can give away things for free, but what's my low ticket? Like what could it be? So for example, in my case, it could be, like a free guide or free chapters of my book, and then my low ticket item could be my book, for example. So for a lot of you watching this, if you're in business, then you want to start thinking about, okay, well, what's that one thing I could sell that would be like a taster version of my product? So for example, when I have an events company. So sometimes when we have a low ticket item, we might have like a half a day event, which gives people a taster of what that thing is. All right. So you want to have some kind of low ticket item. All right. Once we have that low ticket item, the next thing we want to have is we want to get to a medium ticket item, right? So a medium ticket item. So again, if you have this in your business, you're not relying on one thing all the time, right? So a medium ticket item would be something, like for us, we would go from like, say, a taster event, for example, to a like a full-blown boot camp. Right, so you want to have some kind of medium ticket item that is a little bit more money, and it's kind of like in between. It's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest, but it's kind of like the middle. So for example, my software. So if you look at the free, so I have a software called memby.com that teaches people or builds pretty much a membership site for you in less than 10 minutes. And so at the free level, we give people like a free trial. All right. And then we have a low ticket item, which is, you know, that the beginner level. And then we have an intermediate. So we have like $97 a month. And then the intermediate will be $197 a month. So that would be an example for my software. Okay. So you want to have free, low, medium, and then the last one, which probably you all guessed this, but this is really important, is you want to have a high ticket item. Now, let's take a look at all this, for example. Let's say you have something for free. Your low ticket is going to be between 50, right, and 100, right? Your medium ticket will be between 100 and 500, and your high ticket will be between 500 and 1,000, right? Now, if we do the maths here, right, this is where you have to calculate how much you're going to be making, because the whole efforts of you creating this business, getting more leads, generating more sales, is all about, you know, what revenue that you're bringing in. After all, that's what a business is, not a charity. A business that you have to make revenue and you have to make profit. So I want to do some calculations here, all right? So let's say, let's go to a new page. So in fact, let's go here. So let's say you have one product, all right? And let's say you're trying to sell 50 to 100. So let's say you're just trying to sell this high ticket item here, right? If you have, you know, 100 people, right, that buy your 500 to 1,000, okay, you're going to make between, you know, 50,000 to 100,000. All right. So 50 to 100K. But if you go through the medium and the low ticket item, what you'll find is this up here will increase. Why? Because trying to sell this high ticket item straight away is really hard. And so what you want to do, you want to filter all the way, because it's easier to give stuff away for free, right? So this gives you a list, right? And if you're just trying to sell this 50 to 1,000, it's going to be really hard to do, because unless you've got a strong brand. But if we have a list of people and we sell this, then this, then this, then it's going to be a lot easier, because what happens is you start to gain trust in the market. People have already experienced like a freer version of it, and then they're used to that sort of what we call the next level. So what's the next level in your products? What's the next level that you could offer that's going to be a little bit more expensive, that's going to be a little bit better, right? And in fact, that's what cars do. That's what phones do. That's what laptops do. You know, they always have like a base version, and then they'll always have something a little bit better where you get a better service with that. So, you know, if you want to 10 times your sales, if you put this product staircase inside your business, I promise you, and you can start straight away. So as soon as we finish this, start mapping it out, start looking at, okay, what can I create? What more can I give? And how can I justify the higher price? So I really hope that you got a lot of value from this. And if you love this, by the way, do me a favor, hit that like button right now, because it'll tell YouTube to show you more of my videos, and it'll just help the algorithm. And if you don't want to miss out on all the new videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on bell for notifications right now. And let me ask you right now, what's one thing that you could give away for free? Leave a comment below right now, and I'll personally come in and answer those questions. If you got any questions, also leave a question below. I'll link some videos here and here that will help you get into more details on this. I'll put the subscribe button over here. But other than that, this is John Lee, the author of Business Hack. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.